hasta desarrollar. I study Administración de Empresas en Universidad Nacional de Distancia. In this moment, exercising English too. I studied with my friend Alba in last August in Penalstone. It's beautiful, it's big, the stone big. I know we know church, hospital, very house colors. It's incredible. We live for the table colors in Saturday in 11 p.m. and arrive the town of Guadape in 6 a.m. The house colors is beautiful, is incredible. This stone, Daniel stone, exists. A stone is a measure 20 meters, is big, is big, and 740 star. It's composed of feldspar, quartz, and nickel. The stone has been refined Luis Eduardo Villegas Lopez on July in 16 recommendations. It's important that people with no localization of place. It's important have a camera all time, because it's beautiful, it's quiet. It's important to be hide it right. Water, very water, is the primary visitor travel in comfortable transportation because it's a far away, it's important that people can be starts very slowly. Yes, recommend you enjoy wonderful place. Life is incredible.